Investing in the year 2022. Here are 5 things to keep in mind. It's a good time to reflect on how investing has changed over time, to identify where the biggest opportunities will arise in the coming year, and to note which investing habits you need to break as we enter the year 2022. A lot has happened in the last 2 years. Cryptocurrencies have changed the game, the world has accepted a completely new way of life, and alternative investment vehicles have demonstrated their potential. Investing resolutions for 2022 should consider the following 5 factors. Number 1. Be cognizant of the influence of social media. Meme stock trading has been the most unusual phenomenon in the investment market in the last year or so. For example, after being inspired by a single Reddit thread, investors pushed the stock price of US-based company GameStop from $20 to $350 in just 2 weeks. This resulted in Wall Street traders who had bet that the stock would fall unexpectedly losing a lot of money. Working from home made it easier for day traders to keep a close eye on stocks, but this led to a massive increase in emotional trading and investing. It is important to keep this in mind for savvy investors, who will need to constantly remind themselves not to follow the herd when a trending topic is discussed on social media. Number 2. Hedge funds are making more money than ever before. Last year, the much-derided hedge fund proved its worth. They are increasingly proving themselves to be exactly what investors need to diversify their portfolios and access wider return sources. Hedge funds offer investors a wide array of strategies that can help them to achieve their investment goals more effectively. Number 3. Employment will continue to be an issue around the world. There are still many open positions in the workforce that are going unfilled as we head into 2022. The Great Resignation of workers from the workforce has resulted in a lack of skilled workers in many businesses. The number of people taking part in strikes and other forms of protest has increased recently, and this trend is likely to continue in the year to come. Costs of labor and supply constraints will rise, and inflation will rise along with them, affecting the stock market adversely. Number 4. Make sure you're ready for anything. A personal emergency fund is a lesson that the flu pandemic has taught us. Now is the perfect time to get started. In an ideal situation, you should have between 3 and 6 months' worth of living expenses in this fund, which should be kept in a low-risk, liquid account. If you ever find yourself in a tight spot financially, you'll be much better off if you've put this plan in place ahead of time. Number 5. Increase your retirement savings. Many astute investors have re-evaluated their ability to live the retirement lifestyles they envision as a result of COVID-19. Those who were able to reduce some of their living expenses during the lockdown have started putting more money into their retirement plans. The fact that most of us are saving more money by working from home makes this a great opportunity to increase our retirement fund contributions. And there you have it. 5 points to consider when investing in 2022. For more content like this, please like and subscribe.